The sky so blue, the grass so green, the rank and file and the navy blue, the deep and strong, the straight and true. The blue line, they got the given sign. The belts and boots marched forward in time. The wood and leather, the club and shield, swept like a wave across the battlefield. Now with all the clarity of dream, the blood so red, the grass so green, the gleam of spur on the chestnut flame, the cavalry did burst upon the ranks. Oh, the iron will and the iron hand in England's green and pleasant lands. No music for the shameful scene. That night they say it had even shot the Queen. Well, as we've seen it all before, knights in armor, days of yore, the same old fears and the same old cries. We haven't changed,